plane spotting, shall we? Here at Bluegrass. Windy day, happy Halloween. I believe this is the SkyWest CRJ-200 here, but don't quote me on that. I'll check on FlightAware later and I'll put it in the descriptions, but we're waiting for something. Public clearance. American Eagle Envoy, rather, I believe E175 coming in from DFW now, I believe. I believe that's the next arrival. Yep. No, this is something else. Oh, this is a little private jet, isn't it? Yep. Well, Allegiant's getting ready to taxi out. Your friends were supposed to have an E175 coming in from Dallas. I think this is Allegiant flights into Las Vegas, but don't quote me on that. I swear I just saw landing lights. Yeah, I do see them. Yeah, busy everything. That's probably the American flight from Dallas coming in. See, you can kind of probably see the landing lights there. Kind of white to it. Yeah, that's what Ellie just went in for, I'm sure. Do I don't think this is that flight either. It might be. No, I think it is. Our little airport's getting close to its capacity. Yep, that's American Eagle Envoy from Dallas. Thrust reversals over there. Now there is a lead in the bottom, I think. Just a bit louder than that CRJ-200 from earlier. American taxiing right there. That 175 from earlier. In a private jet, I think somewhere that is NY something in Key West. I was hoping to be able to get that so I can read it off, but I don't think that's happening. Don't know where this one's headed. I also suck at picking out private jets, so I have no clue what this is. Getting louder than the 200. Funny, my house is in one of the approach paths to the airport, so I get to hear planes all day and night long. When the cargo jets come in at night, it gets real loud. It's a strange looking airplane. I didn't know Ram was making planes now. Alright, that was a terrible joke, I'm sorry. I made the mistake of walking over down by the terminal to see something. And right as I did that, I happened to notice there's a plane coming in. It's probably another private jet. Yes. Yep, another little private jet. Quiet about that. Ignore the wind. With this wind, I'm getting a little worried that that light here in the phone lot where I'm playing spotting from is going to come on the airport soon. Because, geez. That's the thing about these private flights, is that 175 came in way before this guy came in earlier. This is that same plane from earlier that landed. Actually, it landed right before that E175 came into it. And it's heading back out now. M85SPP, I think, is what that is. Yeah, Thursday afternoons on our busiest time, but there's something specific that I came for today. Usually the largest we get on American is an A319 to Charlotte and Dallas here and there, but, well, you'll see it later. I don't know how late I'm going to be able to stay tonight, but there is a Delta 717 coming in later I might try and catch. I was having lunch with a friend and I missed the, earlier 717. And a 739 headed to Atlanta. Oh well. Who this guy is? Probably private. Sorry, it's so pretty, y'all. Yep. NetJet. Company in Columbus. Worth looking into. It's a very sad story. That's why a lot of regulations about air traffic control tower staffing exist today. Happened at this very airport. Very sad though. Jumper is just pushed back, started the video a bit later, so you have to suffer that stupid annoying ding that they do for safety. Ignore the wind. E175 heading back to Dallas, almost half an hour late. To be fair, it came in 20 minutes late, or 40 minutes late, so they shaved 10 minutes off of what the delay could have been. The flight I'm waiting for, though, unfortunately, is running over an hour late. Heck of an Envoy 175 is very misty. Hopefully we'll be able to hear the startup over this crazy wind. The E175s are so quiet. Oh, I guess Ford's making aircraft now too. Once they get moving here, I gotta go race the C-175 back down to the start of the runway. Come on, guys. My fear is the second I stop the video, they'll start moving, but... You're rolling! I gotta go race them to the other end of the runway. So apparently I can outrun a taxiing E175. The more you know. That is who I'm waiting for, by the way. I was waiting for that A320 that's heading to Charlotte, and now that... Oh, there's someone coming in. It's kind of busy again. So we're about to get a 175, an A320, and whatever that is. But A320 is heading to Charlotte. That route usually at best gets a 319, at worst gets a CRJ-200. Well, CRJ-145 actually. So this is old America West than US Airways than American A320. That is the whole reason I came out today. So I'm glad it's actually leaving before the weather comes. This is what I love about this airport is American rush hour at Bluegrass. Two biggest hubs, plus whoever that is. which isn't really showing out nearly as clear. You kind of see if I zoom in there. Yeah, it's a private jet. Alright, have fun in Texas, American. Just that A320 trying to steal the spotlight. Which, granted, it is the thing you see here right now, but... I think I was in an American hub or something. It's funny, Delta usually sends the biggest planes and most common routes to this place. It's the only airline we flies for that we haven't seen today. That's just not time for them. Late, the A320 is finally leaving in Charlotte. I gotta give America's punctuality some credit. They delayed it to say it was going to depart at exactly 3:09, and well, it's exactly 3:09 right now. Yeah, gone are the days of 50 seats and even 70 seats and 90 seat CRJs. Yeah, the A320s now. That's not normal. It's usually 319s, which is still a lot bigger than they used to be. West and U.S. Airways, but American Airlines. It's an over 20-year-old A320. South of over here, we have an Allegiant A320 that's coming in from St. Petersburg, Clearwater Beach, Tampa area, PIE. A loud private jet if I've heard one. N63FD. I think we watched that guy land earlier. They're not going to try to beat Allegiant, are they? Because that would be really stupid. Good. Happy Halloween, by the way. The fourth police car is going to go out there. I think they might have shift change, hopefully.